हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं चंदन आपका स्वागत करता हूं मेरे चैनल स्मार्ट एक्सपर्ट।
Hello friends, so now we are on our smart pad and today we will know top 5 current affairs that happened till 19 January 2021 which are very important for us that we have to remember. So guys, the first news is about the pride and beauty of India, that is Statue of Unity. Recently on Sunday, India made a history when Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off 8 trains including 7 express train and 1 local train from different locations of our country, which all are pointed out to Kevadia, the site of Statue of Unity. The PM Narendra Modi also said that the world's tallest statue, that is Statue of Unity, is attracting more tourists than even the Statue of Liberty, which is situated at Newark, United States. They have assumed that currently 50,000 tourists are coming to visit Statue of Unity, but if these railway tracks will be developed, then most probably more than 1 lakh tourists will come to Statue of Unity regularly. So what to know about Statue of Unity? It is the tallest statue in the world, and the statue is of the great freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and it is situated at Narmada Valley, Kevadia Colony, Narmada district, Gujarat, and its height is 182 meters. So the next update is related to our favorite sport, that is cricket. The BCCI, which is the controlling board of Indian cricket team, has taken a call to not host the Ranji Trophy this season. Owing to the unrelenting pandemic, they believe that the impact of COVID-19 is still here, so we don't have to take any risk to conduct Ranji Trophy. But the board, which is in the middle of hosting the Syed Mustaq Ali T20 Trophy currently, which is going on at the moment, and they will also make efforts to conduct Vijay Hazare Trophy in the month of February. The board is also taking steps to conduct T20 tournament for women in the same month, but it is not yet clear that why they are not agreed to conduct Ranji Trophy. Is the COVID-19 is one reason, or there is some other reason, we don't know. And these decisions were taken during Sunday's Apex Council meeting held via teleconference or virtual meeting. And what to know about BCCI? BCCI is the Board of Control for Cricket in India. It is a controlling board which will manage everything related to Indian cricket team. And currently the president of BCCI is legend cricketer Saurabh Ganguly. Vice president is Rajiv Shukla and secretary is Jay Shah. So the next one is related to our MSME sector, because yesterday one news came that KVIC to sign 2 MOUs, that is Memorandum of Understanding, with Ministry of Tribal Affairs today. So what is KVIC? It is Khadi and Village Industry Commission, which is going to sign 2 MOU today with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. One is regarding the purchase of Khadi fabric for tribal students, and another one MOU is on partnering of Tribal Affairs Ministry with KVIC as an implementing agency for Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. So these memorandum of understandings will be signed today in the presence of Honorable Minister of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise Sri Nitin Gadkari and Honorable Minister of Tribal Affairs Sri Arjun Munda. So these MOUs are going to help or boost the slogan of vocal for local, or self-reliant India, and this will strengthen the Khadi artisans and a large chunk of tribal population across the country. So the next one is also related to a sport, but it is a new category of sport that held in our country. A new snow show run and interaction program was held in Srinagar, which is the capital of Jammu Kashmir, for the first time. And the program was held during the heavy snowfall season in the state, and the event was organized by the Snow Show Federation of India to boost winter sports in the Kashmir region. And previously this game that is usually played in regions of Europe always attracts athletes from various parts of Kashmir, and that is the reason why Snow Show Federation of India took this initiative, so that it can give a motivation to the Kashmir youth, and it can enhance the sportsman spirit among the youth of Kashmir. The interesting fact related to Jammu Kashmir is that it has 2 capitals. The winter capital of Jammu Kashmir is Jammu, and the summer capital is Srinagar. It is so because during winter Srinagar becomes geographically challenging due to the blockage of national highways and landslides due to snowfalls. Thus, everywhere the capital is shifted to Jammu to make sure that the trade and business and other activities of Jammu Kashmir will not suffer. So the next fact is that EECL and PCRA to distribute energy efficient PNG stoves. So what is EECL? It is Energy Efficiency Service Limited, and PCRA is the Petroleum Conservation Research Association. The news came that EECL has signed a MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding, with PCRA to distribute energy efficient piped natural gas based cook stoves. The program in its first stage will witness the distribution of 10 lakh energy efficient PNG based cook stoves in some selected cities of our country. For this program, EECL will develop an online web portal and a mobile app to receive the orders and from the consumers, and along with creating a real-time dashboard so that one can monitor the orders received and delivered regularly. Friends, this much for today, and I hope you liked it. For getting this type of videos in the coming days, like my video, subscribe it and share it as much as you can. Thank you. Jai Hind.